Today I'll walk you through how to convert Google Docs to an image, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to transform your Google Docs into image files so you can easily share or use them in presentations. Let's get started. First, open your Google Docs document. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting the document you want to convert. If you're starting with a blank document, that's perfectly fine too. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still be the same. Once your document is open, look for the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you will find the option to download your document. Now, let's move on to the next step. Click on Download from the drop-down menu. This will present you with several file format options. For our purpose, select PDF document from the list. This is an important step because we need the document in PDF format before converting it into an image. Think of it as preparing your ingredients before cooking a meal. After selecting PDF, your document will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the PDF file on your computer. Now, it's time to convert this PDF into an image. For this, you'll need to go to your preferred PDF to JPG converter site. There are many options available online, so choose one that you find user-friendly. Upload your PDF file to the converter site. This process is similar to uploading a photo to social media. Just select the file and click Upload. After the file is uploaded, follow the site's instructions to convert the PDF into an image format, such as JPG or PNG. Once the conversion is complete, you can download the image file to your computer, and just like that, you have successfully converted your Google Docs document into an image. To recap, we opened our Google Docs document, downloaded it as a PDF, and then used a converter site to transform it into an image. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.